In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online, viewing the pictures, liking the picture, commenting the picture, and sharing the picture. That you can see here, you get paid around 10 cents for each task. Not for all of them, each task. So if you like a picture, you get paid 10 cents. If you like a view a picture, you get paid 10 cents. If you comment a picture, you get paid around 10 cents. And if you share the picture, you get paid around 10 cents. And also in this website that you can make up to 21,000 per year doing the same task. But for that, you have to invest a little bit money, so I will walk you through that entire steps. So watch the video until the end for what is the website, how you can set it up, and how you can earn money, and how you can earn a lot more money from this website, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. Try to upload one video every day, every other day. So subscribe, like, and share, guys. That you can see, these are the payment pool. People around the world are making money from this website. That you can see here, people from Philippines or Malaysia or Russia, Sri Lanka, other countries. So you can see lots of people are making 129, 149. It's not per month, per year. It is around March 2nd today, guys. That you can see here, lots of people are withdraw money today. You can see, and you can withdraw the money on Litecoin, a Bitcoin, or a Ripple. And if you want a cash, you have to withdraw that, use pay here. From that, you can transfer the money to your bank account, guys. So this is the basic idea of this website. So what is this website? The website is called Photojingle.com. Again, you can see here, Photojingle.com allowed to do 4 tasks. View a picture, like a picture, comment a picture, share the pictures. If you do all of them, you can get paid around 30 cents or 40 cents. Each of them you get paid around 10 cents. That you can see, if we earn up to $10, that you can withdraw that money in 24/7. So no skill is required, guys. So here, what are the tasks that you can see here? Earn by doing simple tasks. Monetize your views on photos with a minimum effort. We want you to make money for yourself and others and earn from referral program. So for example, if you view the picture, you get paid around 10 cents. That you can see, earn up to 10 cents to view a photo which you want to appreciate. Same thing, like a picture, same thing, comment a picture, same thing, share the picture. And here is the important part. Here, if you refer someone and they sign up for a Photojingle account, you get paid around $2 for that. Again, there's a referral program upgrade. I'm going to talk about what is the upgrade. This is the part where you can earn up to 21,000 per year. And if they upgraded, then you can earn up to $50 for that. Again, on that third, again, when you refer someone, they sign up and they do the task. If they earn 10 cents, you can make 0.01 for each task. Until they do the task, you earn money. It's for lifetime, guys. Again, so what you can do, you click this one called sign in, and you can use Google or Facebook to create an account. You don't have to create, you don't have to put anything. Just create Google account or email, a Facebook account. If you have one, click that, it automatically created account for you, guys. Afterward, your dashboard is going to look like that. You can see I already did that 3 tasks and I already earned 30 cents. What you have to do now here, it will look like this. This is we show you all the tasks that you are done, and this is the section where you're going to show you're going to see all the referral program, and this is where you're going to see all the transaction here. Again, with the free trial, you can only do 6 tasks. This is a very important part of this website. You can earn lots more money, but you have to upgrade for that. So I will show you how you can do that. Before that, I'm going to show you how you can earn money on this website. What you have to do now, after you create an account, this button will be appear. It's called explore. So with the normal account, it won't see, you can see that. After you create an account, it will show explore. Click that and it will take to this page where you can see the picture. See, click this picture. Now you see the picture, right? So automatically 10 cents is added because you watched, you read the picture. Now what you do, if you come and if you like this picture, and 10 cents is automatically added here. And if you comment like nice picture, I wonder how you did it, right? Something like that, because you need to type up to 50 characters, something like that. Okay, you have to add a little bit more. Okay, something like that. Okay, and comment it on it. after you comment on it, 10 cent is automatically added. So what you have to do now, click your dashboard here and you can see 60 cent is added. I don't have any task left to do because there's a problem with free trial because you can only do 6 tasks. So if you click the plan section, it will take it here that you can see if you buy a $25 white upgrade pack, this for year, not for month, $25 a year, that you can see daily task that you can do 6. So you can daily you can make 60 cents, in a week that you can make $4.20, in a month that you can make $18, and a year you can make $219 from home with a $25 investment. Again, if you want to make a big money, you have to invest a little bit money, otherwise it won't happen. So with the $25 investment that you can make $219 per year, and again without including the referral program. Here you could get paid around $1 for every people that refer. So if you refer 100 people and they sign up for the account, you can make $1 for that. Again, you're gonna make 0.01 cent for each task they are doing, right? So that will increase your earning from 219 to a little bit more. Again, if we upgrade the pack every single time, so if you go with the bronze or silver, the referral earning, it will go up. So if for the silver, if you refer 1 people, you get paid around $10, and if for 100 people, that you can already make 1,000 from referring that people. And also you can see the daily task goes up with the upgraded pack, guys. So you can see with the silver you can do daily, you can earn up to $8 daily, weekly 56, monthly 240, and a year that you can make 2,920 or roughly 3,000 with a $250 investment. If you cannot button, this is how important part I'm talking about. If you have a little bit more money, that is impossible. I don't have that, maybe you don't, but if you have the 1,500 investment, that you can earn $60 per day, for weekly 420, a monthly 1,800. That will bring around 21,900 per year from this website, guys. This without including your referral program that is gonna make you $50 per sign up, and also 0.01 whatever they earning. If they earning money, you can add up that in your wallet, guys. So it will go from 21,900 or 22,000 to maybe 25,000, if up to you how you referring that to people, guys. Here you can see basically you can earn money, but again you have to invest money. So you can see, ask why you have to upgrade. So they have a FAQ question, you can go and check it out. It's an IT company. You have to invest money in order to make money. And again, if you have money, you can buy a simple pack like this one for 20. I want to buy this one to see what happened if I'm able to make that kind of money every single day and see what happened at the end of the year. But if you can have a little bit of money, you can invest that. You can at least multiply that by 5-6 times, guys, whatever your initial investment is it. So I hope you understand this video. Again, you can make money by liking picture, viewing picture, commenting pictures, sharing pictures. Again, if you want to make a lot more money from this website, you have to invest a little bit of money. So go and check out this website. There's a link in the description. Go and check it out and see what happened and see if you are liking or not. Also, they have a messenger icon here. You can ask question from the company if you have any doubt, guys. So I hope you understand this video. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.